Assalamu alaikum. Now we will start practice set 3.4. In that question number 1. Question number 1 in figure 3.56. So this is the figure for question number 1 is given here. In this figure a circle with center O. So the center is given as O. Length of chord AB. Length of this chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the measure of each of the following. Now like that 4 sub questions are given to us. Now we'll try to solve the first one. So here I've taken the same figure. O is the center of a circle and AB is given as chord. If I will join O to A, it is nothing but radius. If I will join O to B, again it is a radius. And what is given to us in the question? Now see here, chord AB is equal to the radius of the circle. That means length of this AB, chord AB, is also given as radius. So if we will see here, it is clear that OA is R, OB is also R, and AB is also given equal to the radius, so it is also R. So all the three sides are equal. So if the three sides are equal, we can say this triangle OAB is nothing but equilateral triangle. Now we have to find the first one is angle AOB. Now we'll see where this angle AOB is nothing but the central angle. Now as we have got that the triangle AOB is equilateral triangle, so we know that each angle of equilateral triangle is nothing but 60 degrees. So like this we can solve this question. Now we'll see how the steps of the solution will be. So the first sub question we have to find angle AOB. Now solution will start. So we have considered triangle AOB as I have explained you. Now OA and OB both are nothing but the radius. So we have taken here both are equal and it is radii of the same circle. I have given it equation number 1. But it is given to us that length of AB is also equal to the radius. So it is given and I have taken it equation number 2. Now we'll compare both the equations. So from 1 and 2 we can say that OA and OB both are R and length of AB is also R. So all the three is equal to R. So we have got here that all the three sides of triangle AOB is nothing but the radius, that is R. Because of this the triangle is become equilateral triangle. Therefore angle AOB is nothing but 60 degree and the reason will come angle of a equilateral triangle. So in this way we have completed our first sub question, that is angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now we will see our second sub question, that is angle ACB we have to find. Now we will see in the figure where ACB, this angle. So this angle is nothing but, if you will observe it carefully, the angle ACB is an angle at point C, where point C is at the circumference of a circle. And when the angle is subtended at the circumference of a circle, this type of angle is nothing but inscribed angle. And so ACB is inscribed angle by its intercepted arc AB. So we can apply here inscribed angle theorem. If we know the measure of angle arc AB, then we can find easily angle ACB. So here the question now how to find measure arc AB. Now we have got this angle AOB. I will explain you in the figure only how to do, then we'll see the solution of it. Angle AOB in the first sub question already we have got 60 degree and it is nothing but the central angle, and we know that the central angle is equal to its corresponding arc. So if this angle is 60 degree, this arc will also 60 degree, and if this arc is 60 degree, this inscribed angle will be half of that. So angle ACB will be half of arc AB. Now in this way we will solve. Now we will see how to solve it. The solution we'll see. So here we have to find angle ACB. Now as I have explained you in the figure that angle AOB, we know that The central angle AOB is 60 degree, that already we have got in our first sub question. So here central angle, that is AOB, is equal to major arc AB. Therefore this arc will also 60 degree. If you want, you can add here also that angle AOB is nothing but equal to major arc AB. So both will be 60 degree because of definition of major of an arc. Now I have given it equation number 3 because 1 and 2 already we have taken in the first sub question. Now, so we have got major arc AB. This major arc AB we have got 60 degree. Now ACB is inscribed angle by intercepted arc AB. So same statement we will take here. So here arc AB is intercepted by the inscribed angle ACB. Therefore angle ACB is half of major arc AB, and the reason we will take inscribed angle theorem. Already I have explained you inscribed angle theorem. So ACB we want to find, it is by the theorem that it is half of major arc AB, and major arc AB we have here 60 degree. Now we'll substitute the value here. So half into 60 degree, this 60 degree I have taken from this equation number 3. Now we can cancel it by 2. So it is 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and then 0. So we have got angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. So this completed our second sub question. Now our third sub question is arc AB, which already we have completed here. So we can see in our solution major arc AB already we have got 60 degree in equation number 3. So directly we can take. So here third sub question we have to find arc AB. So we know that major arc AB is 60 degree from equation number 3. So already we got this. Now we'll go for the last sub question, that is fourth one. So now the fourth sub question is arc ACB, where this arc ACB, ACB, this big arc we have to find. Now we can see it carefully. This arc and arc AB, if we will combine both, the arc is nothing but a circle, and the measure of a circle is 360 degree. So this property we will use here for finding this arc ACB. So here our fourth sub question is we have to find arc ACB. So we will take that measure of a circle is 360 degree. Now the circle is completed by 2 arcs, that is major arc ACB and major arc AB. Again I will show you in the figure. First arc is ACB, this one, and the next one is small AB. So these 2 arc we have taken. So ACB plus AB is 360 degree. We know this major arc AB is 60 degree. So we can substitute the value here. So now here major arc AB and plus 60 degree we have substituted the value of major arc AB. ACB we have taken like that only. Major arc AB we have substituted 60 degree, that is equal to 360. This 60 degree measure we have taken from equation number 3. So we have mentioned here. Now what we will do now, this plus 60 will take on other side, so it will become minus 60. So major arc ACB is equal to 360 minus 60, and 360 minus 60 is nothing but 300. So we have completed major arc ACB is 300. So this is first question of practice set 3.4 we have completed.